Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, which means that I usually have a quick and easy video for you guys, and they're usually home decor items or holiday items, but today I have something a little bit different. Today I have a highly requested video. Today I'm going to be making menu cards for weddings or events that you guys usually see on the Markleer plates for my setups. You guys have been asking for this video since forever. I believe I made my first wedding video 3 months into my channel, and you guys have been asking since then. I kind of touched on it a little bit on one of my videos a year ago maybe, but I never dedicated a video for this, and you guys are still asking for it. Never did, because I thought it would be 30 seconds because it is so easy. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the video. So before I get started, I'm going to give a little disclaimer before my die-hard crafters start cringing and start writing me and saying, girl, just get a Cricut. I know. But this is for my everyday ladies that don't craft all the time and they just want to make their own menu cards, and they don't want to spend a lot of money buying them or spending a lot of money getting a Cricut machine just to use it 1 or 2 times. Okay, so here's what you can do to make your menu cards. So you're definitely going to need cardstock. Color is totally optional. I'm going to use white, and you're definitely gonna have to have your plates before you start making these cards, because not all plates are created equal, and some of them in the inside are a little wider and some of them are a little smaller in the middle. Okay, so you must know what size you are going to need. So then you are also going to have to find an object around your house that is going to be as wide as your plate in the inside, okay? Because this is going to be your mold to help you cut the cards. All right, totally homemade. Anyway, and if you want to make menu cards that are, you know, just cards, you are going to need a ruler and a pencil. For this project, you are going to need a laptop or a computer, and you're definitely going to need Microsoft Word in order to type in your menu. I also find it that it looks nice when you have both script and print in your menu writing. As you can see here, I have print and then script, print and then script, and so on. Okay, you can have it vice versa. You can have it script and then print, however you like. You can go on Google and Google different samples and then just, you know, tailor it to however you like. Okay, all right, so what I have here, because some of you guys asked also, what is the font, what is the size? For the word menu, the size is, you know, to the limit. This is a 72. Let's see. This is 72, and the font is Bell MT. I'm gonna be writing it down here so you can see it. And then for appetizers, the font is Sapfino and is at 20. And then the smaller writing, or, you know, the food, is Bell MT and is at 14. Okay, so 72, 20, 14. And then I just repeat it at the bottom. Okay, if you want to add characters, you can always go to insert. Let me see, you can go to insert, and then you can go to symbols, and you can add hearts or little stuff like that, you know. And there's a heart, as you can see right there. You can place it in between entrees, or you can place it at the bottom with the initials of the bride and groom, etc. Okay, the only thing about this is that there is going to be a little bit of space here. That's the only, you know, thing that I find that is annoying, but that's what happens when you're doing it in a regular computer. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. But other than that, you know, it will cost you close to nothing compared to ordering it from, you know, a company. All right. And here's how they look like once they're printed out. I'm going to be cutting one of them round and the other one vertical, okay? And actually for these, you can actually print out 2 in a page. All you have to do is play with your computer setting, and then you can print one here and another one here. Now I'm going to make the mold that I'm going to use to make my round menu card. And here's the object that I'm going to use. It's perfect and fits my plate. So what I'm going to do is just trace it on this paper. This is a regular piece of paper. So there it is. And then I'm going to cut it. Ba-dam! There it is. Cut. All right. So then you are going to place it at the back of your menu card, and then you are going to hold it up to the sun or wherever there's light, and you are going to center it. Okay, so that's center there, but you're also going to need this as well, okay, that you are going to place right on top. So you kind of have to sandwich it together. And then you're going to go ahead and trace again. And there it is. For your regular vertical cards, you are going to grab a ruler and you are going to draw straight lines on both sides. This is it. As I said earlier, these are very easy to make. There's really nothing to them. The only thing that is going to be a little time consuming is the cutting, since you have to cut them by hand. But if you get your family members involved or your bridesmaids involved, you can get them done in no time and for very, very cheap. These are great for small weddings or dinner parties. Very easy, guys. Enjoy. I hope it was worth the wait.